Europe beating the hometown North American squad. 4 kills in less than a minute. But Hooney's taking a solid shot. Double left has got his double kill. That's it. Let's take a look. Hooney, Counter-Strike is charging. That's a 4-man stun. Bjergsen's already down. Pull in, rookie in. Here they come. The wall is out. And LPL will find themselves 4 kills. Team Ice, 150 points.
Exhaust is down, he's gonna try to claw his way to freedom, but he's burning! First blood!
At 1v1 tournament, I played versus Malzahar.
Oh, really?
I have 100% win rate.
Oh, no.
So you know he lost.
Oh, no.
Hangs on by a thread, but that is Yeltsin! Another grab, but that's it!
What is going on today?
Yeah, all right.
Security.
He's trying to cheer him on.
Hooney, 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 Hooney.
The clear love flashes in for the W. Uzi to the other. What a play coming in. Another 100 points going to Ice as the LPL takes down the LMS.
But he doesn't want to get in
Here we go.
trouble. Exhausted down, one more shot, and Lift comes up with the win. He wants to finish this up. Can he do it? The stun, the outplay.
Hey, does Volbear do magic damage?
Wait. I don't know. I don't know. You tell me, D.
I'm so nervous.
He got Laker. No way! He hits a cleaver before the flash. Can he finalize the kill? It's going to be LCK picking that one up for fire. Give me 100 points.